friends, let me start today with a trigonometric problem, and I will leave some problem for you to practice at home. So, this problem says there is a triangle ABC and a line being drawn from A to on the up to BC, which is intersecting at D. The angle given here, it is 30, sorry, this is 40, this is 30, this angle is your 110, this angle is x. So, you have to find the value of x. Okay. So, for this let me start with the solution. Here I will use the sine ratio, sine formula for any triangle. The sine formula any triangle says, if a triangle, let us say ABC, and the angle denotes accordingly the lowercase, if I take, it is angle C, this is angle A, this is angle B, then sine of this is the side, that means this one AC upon sine of the opposite angle sine B, this angle is B, equal to BC upon the opposite angle sine of A, equal to AB upon sine of C. So, these ratios are same and it is equal to a constant. So, similar formula or the theorem I will use for this case, and I have to try to solve it. So, first I will take this triangle, the triangle ABD. Let us see what I have to take first. So, if I know this angle 110, this is x. So, this obviously 110 minus x, I can name it. So, I try to take such a way that this common lines comes for both the cases to compare. So, my intention is to bring this AD common. So, let us take AD upon the angle sin x. This ratio may be equal to this by this ratio. So, that is AB upon sine of 110, this ratio if I take, and the other one is if I take this as common, BD upon sine of 110 minus x. So, for this triangle this is the same. Another triangle, if I take the triangle, let us say this I am taking, triangle ADC I am taking. Here the angles become, this will be 70 obviously, because this is the complementary angle for each other. So, 110 is there. So, this is total angle is 180, this is 70. So, this would be AC upon sine of 70 equal to, if I take any of this DC, AC upon, and AD has to be there, AD upon sine 40, and the remaining is DC upon sine 30. So, these are the two equations. From there, if I take something which is common there, AD and AD, and along with that I compare any of these two. So, let me take this part first. So, I will rub it so that I can compare this part. So, if I compare this part and take out the AD and equalize both them, so AD for here it is sin x upon sine 110 minus x, and the other condition is given, AC is equal to BD, AC is equal to BD is given and the sum. So, AC equal to BD, this condition is given also. So, here I am getting sin x, sin into BD, that is equal to, here I am getting sin 40 upon sine 70 into AC. Okay. Now, this AC here I am getting BD. So, here as per the condition AC is equal to BD, this side is equal to BD. So, this will cancelled out, the remaining will be there is the ratio of sin x upon sin of 110 minus x. This ratio is equal to sin 40 and upon sin 70. Now, you see, if I compare this equation and then put the value of x is equal to 40, only then this ratio will come true, because if I put there 40, this will become 110 minus x, that means equal to 170. So, this ratio is a constant ratio and x is a variable here. So, only value for which this equation satisfies is x is equal to 40. So, this way I can come to a conclusion that x value is 40. So, this is your solution. So, next I will keep a problem for you, so that you can try at home. But it says there is a congruent rectangle, congruent rectangle, this rectangle named A, B, E and D. So, this rectangle is laid down to each other such a way that these points are collinear, and this is given that these are collinear, these points are collinear. If I extend this one and if I this is somewhat like that, if I put it like that, this will be collinear, means this point to N and your M, if I extend it and if I extend this line, so this point B, this let us say the point is E is N. So, this line if extended, this will match this line, this will cut at point M. This is a common point of this rectangle, and this rectangle and this rectangle are congruent. That means congruent means this both the rectangles shape and size wise are equal. So, this is the condition where the arm length B, the longer one is B, small b, smaller one is A is given, and then these are the thing is given, and now you have to find the value of A upon B. What is the ratio A upon B, you have to find. Okay. Let me check once if something I am not missing. So, this is congruent rectangle, this is together. Only condition is that these line are collinear. So, this line if I extend, this is collinear, this A, N and M are collinear, B, E and M are collinear. This is only thing is given, and you have to find A by B. Yes. So, please try at home. I will definitely I will give the solution in later videos, but you just put your effort, so that it is a very interesting problem if you solve it at home. There may be 2-3 kind of solution if you try. So, just try it and just follow my videos, just forward to your groups. Again I am requesting you, and definitely I will come with more videos in later stage, definitely. Thank you.